All right, hey everybody, this is Rob with AMZ Advisors, and today we got a new package from Amazon. So we're gonna be unboxing it, and what we're gonna do is open this up. We're gonna see what the product is inside. It's a smash burger press and like a little spatula that goes with it. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna unbox the product. We're gonna show everything that it comes with and the packaging and all that stuff. And then once we're done with that, we'll jump over to the laptop and do a quick screen share. And we'll go over the search results page, what I was looking for, and then go to the listing and talk about, what's going on with the listing, some things they're doing good, bad, whatever. We'll do a little analysis and then maybe provide some recommendations for how they can make improvements and get more sales. So let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the box. HULISEN grill accessory kit, 2-piece. We've got the press for the smash burgers and a little spatula that goes with it. So we can open it up. Inside we've got the press and the spatula all wrapped up, and it doesn't look like much else in there. So that's the press. Got the brand on the other side of it. And then the spatula with the brand inside of there. And that's pretty much it. So nothing else in the box. There's no insert card. Easy to use. Make your nice burger. High quality stainless steel. Creates burgers with crispy edge and juicy center. So that's pretty much it. So again, just another look at the product. Smash burger press. Looks pretty good, feels solid. And then this nice big spatula too. Also feels pretty good in the hand. So yeah, let's jump over to Amazon. We'll do a screen share and we'll go from there. Right, so here we are on Amazon, and I'm on one of my work accounts here logged in, so we're not going to see my personal one where it says that it was recently purchased, but I want to start looking first just on a generic basis. So smash burger press. So they got this brand that I bought from actually has a headline ad here, and I was just looking at Zon Guru before. Super competitive market here, 80,000, almost 80,000 searches a month, and this is their press only, which looks like it's doing close to 46,000. So anyway, the listing that I bought from is not part of that. If you scroll down, this is kind of their main one where it's only the press. And then they have a separate listing where they have a couple of different kits like the one that I bought. So I wanted one with a spatula. So I threw that in. Again, pretty good job. Another headline ad here, different creative. This one's showing some of their different accessory kit options. A couple other people sponsored above them. And then this is the listing that I ended up making the purchase from. I like this listing because it had a lot of reviews, good rating, and this main image I thought was pretty good too. Because unlike this one, it's showing both of them at scale. When I was looking for this, I had something specific in mind. I wanted stainless steel. I didn't want a cast iron because I wanted to be able to throw it right in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. There's a lot of cast iron options here, so those kind of got ruled out for me. But eventually, I found this listing. I made it here. I think I actually bought this on a Black Friday deal, so I didn't pay the $19.99. I think it was like 25% off. So they have a couple different options. Like I said, they have the spice shaker with a smaller square one, the spice shaker with 6-inch. This is the 6-inch with, I don't know why they're calling it a lid. But anyway, this is the one that I ended up buying here, the 6.2-inch with the spatula here. So title For starters, pretty good. I bought this for Blackstone. I just got a Blackstone, and I wanted to make some smash burgers on it. And I had an old, metal spatula, and it wasn't so good. It was kind of bending a little bit, so I thought maybe I should buy an actual press. So anyway, I started looking around, and I found this listing. Bullet points here for me are a little long, but I think they're okay. I probably wouldn't change much here. If anything, I might cut them down a little bit. But let's look at the photos too. So main image, like we said before, pretty good. This is a good lifestyle image. Somebody actually using the product, smashing the burger down, using the spatula. Although these don't really look like smash burgers, like regular burgers, but that's okay because you can use the spatula for regular burgers as well. Here's somebody smashing it, which is pretty good. Two of them together by the grill. We've got some dimensions in the next photo. And then easy to clean. This was one of the reasons I bought this one in particular, because you can just throw it right in the dishwasher. And then they have a little bit of a brand photo here too. What does it say? Gift for grill master, kitchen enthusiast, or home cook. So again, we saw the box before. It's exactly as it is. Everything was pretty good. So photos look pretty good. Just looking at some other stuff above the fold here, we have a couple of placements for display ads. They're actually capturing one of them, which is good. But this one, they've been overtaken by this other brand here, Okavango. So if anything, I mean, they know what they're doing. They got this display ad up here to protect their listing and cross promote. They're trying to show somebody a cast iron, which might be a better alternative. But they could probably bid a little bit higher and take over this spot as well. So as we scroll down, you can see they got some of their own products in the other sponsored section here. I'm not going to go through all of these pages, but they're on the first page and a couple of other ones after. And they've got a brand story up, which is a good part of the listing to have, showing different types of stuff, baking and dough tools, cooking tools. What's the other one here? I missed it because we're in front of it. The barbecue set. Some griddle accessories and a little bit about the company here. And then we come down and they have a nice page of premium A+ content. So burger press, it's giving me the dimensions, easy to clean. Again, this was one of the main reasons I bought this type with the stainless steel. This might be a little bit tough to read on mobile. I'm going to actually, I did buy this on my phone. I buy most of the stuff that I buy through my phone instead of desktop. So after we look at it here, we're going to do kind of the same thing, but on the mobile platform. So we'll get to see what it looks like both ways. But overall, good branding, good call outs and features here. Pretty good looking listing. Multi-use, premium food grade stainless steel, which is important. Good for gifting, easy to use, easy to clean. Again, griddles, and you could use it in a skillet as well. And then they got this video here. This is not part of the A+. I think this video is up in the listing as well. And then obviously you got all of the reviews and the customer images down below. So let's just take one quick look back up at the top and go over to, this is not exactly for the same product. Let's see if this one is, or if this is another bundle. Yeah, so not exactly the same product. This looks like it is. Let's see what they have. So they got some more upbeat music in here. Again, these are more branded kind of generic videos, which is completely fine. I think these are good for listing. They're showing other products and kind of cross promoting with that. So overall, I mean, super high volume market here. Let's actually go back and double check. I meant to do that in the beginning. And let's see what this specific product or specific search term has for volume, because we know that the smash burger press by itself was super high volume. So let's take a look here. Oh wow, so less than 50. So this is a pretty good long tail keyword. This is a good learning lesson and opportunity where the more kind of specific and on the nose, despite being lower search volume, the higher chances of a conversion. This was exactly what I was looking for, which is basically why I bought this product. And you can see here it's doing about 28,000 a month. So they're getting sales from other keywords and other stuff as well. I don't know where this one in particular would be with just Smashburger Press, but I'm sure they got a whole range of other keywords that they're targeting and ranking pretty well for. All right, so let's go over and we'll look at the phone and we'll check out the mobile version and we'll go from there. All right, so here we are in the Amazon app. I'm gonna do a search for Smash Burger Press with spatula. Oh, and look, now we have a different ad. This is literally 5 minutes apart from what I filmed on the desktop, but we've got somebody else here, Gourmet Easy, with the ad up top. Here's our product that we bought, the HULISEN. That's the one with the shaker. And then here's the one that we ended up purchasing. So we'll go to the listing here. Again, kind of the same stuff for the title. We already went through the images, but they look pretty good. The video pops up on mobile, obviously. Same thing. Good information that you need. Could probably use some more kind of call outs on some of these lifestyle photos and things like that to maybe inspire emotion and connect with the shoppers a little bit better. You've got the variation options, obviously it's the one that I chose. And what I really want to look at here now is actually the A+ content. So we have the top highlights, these are the bullet points. Again, this is a lot of reading for a $20 product or $15 that I paid for it. But either way, so then it goes through the photos again, the brand story, which we already kind of looked at, and then down into the A+ content. So this looks pretty good. This is actually not that small, as small as I thought it would be. I know that for premium, they have different modules or different sizes for the same modules, so they optimize better on premium. So that looks pretty good. You can read this, made from food grade stainless steel, low maintenance, dishwasher friendly. They got these other features and stuff here, multi-use, and then the gift stuff. You can see the difference between the desktop and the way it's set up and this one, and then that's it. So not the only thing, but one of the main things I would do with this listing, and I think this is pretty important, we do this for a lot of clients, is I would probably put a comparison chart on the bottom of this so that you can cross promote the other bundles and the different products. Maybe throw a cast iron one in there to give some options. And then, so you got Cuisinart advertising here. Here's some of their stuff that they're advertising on their own listing. Some more options. And then obviously the reviews. So overall, HULISEN pretty well put together. This is kind of another ad here that they could be winning on their listing instead of letting Grill Art kind of come in with this grill brush. It's a good complementary product, but it'd be probably better to have them protecting their own real estate on the detail pages. If you see this video and you guys are looking for help on Amazon and you want somebody to to work with and help you grow your brand there, then reach out. Happy to help, have a conversation. And for anybody else who's watching this and wondering how they can optimize their Amazon store and is looking for tips and tricks, I'm going to be doing a lot more of these videos. Basically all the stuff I buy moving forward, I'm going to do this unboxing, and then we'll come back to Amazon, we'll break down the listing, do an analysis, and make some recommendations. So hopefully you enjoyed the unboxing, and hopefully you learned something about Amazon and how you can optimize your pages and get more sales on the platform. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.